I sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어 나봐. 난 네 옷을 또 보고.
So if you desire to glow your skin, your overall skin, if you want to polish your skin, if you want to glow generally, keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. So today's video, I'll be showing you some important ingredients that you can use in making a mask. When you apply it on your skin will just be glowing all the time. So you want to glow your skin, you want to look younger, keep watching. Do remember to subscribe, hit the red subscribe button, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. So if you desire to look younger and glowing all the time, let's go straight into this remedy right away. So to have a glowing skin, a spotless younger skin, you have to get oats powder. So this is highly so nutritious and very important for the skin. Oat flour helps to exfoliate, remove dead skin cells, helps to remove excessive oil on the skin, moisturizing, cleansing, and removing inflammation. So if you are prone to a very dry skin, this will help to moisturize your skin. If you want to get rid of dead skin cells, polish your skin, make your skin glow, this will help greatly. So you can get this from the supermarket. That was where I got mine and it's so nice. If you do not have oats powder, you can go for rice powder. So what we have here is more than 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to measure in a tablespoon into the bowl. So the next one is turmeric. So turmeric powder is so nice for the skin, helps to polish your skin. It contains antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory properties, that helps to get rid of swelling, provides glow to the skin, and to give a natural healthy glow. So if you desire to glow your skin, brighten your skin, get rid of dull skin, turmeric is what you should think of. So I'm going to be adding a pinch of it, just a little. Next ingredient we have here is orange. I'm going to be squeezing out orange juice from it because that is what we actually need. And orange juice is so full of vitamin C. You can make use of any citrus fruit like lemon, lime, but I so much love orange juice and skin is so loving it anytime I use it. Orange juice protects the skin against sunburn and premature aging. So if you desire to have a younger looking skin all the time, you have to go for orange juice. It contains vitamin C, as I said earlier, which helps to brighten the skin by decreasing melanin production, which makes you darker than you should be. So this is just so nice for your skin, to polish it, to glow your skin and look more beautiful. So I'll be squeezing in just little of it, not much, about 1 tablespoon. This quantity is actually very small, and that is because I want to apply it only on my face, okay? So if you want to apply it all over your body, you have to go ahead and increase the quantity of other ingredients. Just add more ingredients and you are good to go. So my next ingredient is orange oil. So this is actually optional for those that don't have orange oil. You can make use of only orange juice, but I love adding my orange oil because it's so unique, it's so nice, and it's also an essential oil, okay, which will give a lovely fragrance, like a lovely aroma. Orange oil maintains a healthy skin, improves the appearance and texture of your skin, brightens and preserves your skin tone. This will help to glow your skin beautifully. I'll be adding just few drops, like, because it's a small amount, 3 drops of my orange oil. The smell is amazing. Our paste is actually so thick, very thick. So I'm going to go ahead and add rose water. So here is rose water. You can make use of any product you have. Rose water helps to improve your skin, reduce skin redness. It contains antibacterial properties which helps to reduce acne. So if you have acne, you can use it as a facial toner. It helps to take care of puffiness. I'll be adding just a little of it. It's like I added so much rose water. I'm going to go ahead and add a little of my oats flour just to make it a thick paste and not so watery. So as you can see, the measurements of other ingredients depends on other ones as well, because as you are mixing it, it may get so watery or it may just get so thick. So when it gets thick, add a watery ingredients like rose water or orange juice. Alright, so the next thing to do is to go ahead and show you how to apply it on the face, on a wet clean face, to make it look younger, to polish your skin, to glow all the time. Your skin will be so spotless. To apply this treatment on your face, just make sure there are no makeups. Wash off all makeups, okay? Get rid of this by using a warm water and a mild cleanser. This is smelling so nice. Like the fragrance of the orange oil is amazing. It's smelling so nice. Apply it on your face. This treatment will help to brighten you, not really lightening. It's going to maintain your skin, like polish it, make your skin to be glowing. So any complexion you have, this will help to make it glow beautifully. And the amazing aspect is that if you have acne, pimples, dark spots, it will help to, get rid of them. So go ahead and apply it under your eye, but be careful. This is to help to get rid of dark circle for those that have dark under eye circle. So if you have dark spots, target on those areas you have dark spots. If you have wrinkles, just apply it all over your face to firm up your face, your neck. You can apply it all over your body. Just increase the quantity of the ingredients. So this is one of the ways to achieve a glowing skin. Your cosmetic products may be working for you, but you need to use natural masks, natural scrubs like this to take care of your skin twice weekly, 3 times weekly, so that to open up your pores, so that when you apply those those cream, those lotions, they are going to work better. And it's also very important to keep your skin very healthy. Most people, when they are using their body lotion, their soap and all that, they will notice that it's not working. Reason why is because they are not actually making their skin to be healthy naturally. So this is one of the ways to take care of it, like a foundation. Take care of it so that if you can go out there without makeup and you just look so beautiful. This treatment should be applied 3 times weekly, every day. The ingredients are safe. So if you are going to be applying it all over your body, just be naked. Apply it everywhere, scrub as you are rinsing it off, and your skin is going to glow and look younger all the time. I'll be leaving it on for 20 minutes. This is the period to leave it on, and after 20 minutes you notice it will get dry. It's going to get dry, and by then the ingredients must have penetrated into your clean pores. And I'll go wash it off. I'll be right back.
sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어 나봐. 난 네 옷을
When you are washing it off, make sure you are scrubbing it, okay? Scrub as you wash, scrub as you rinse, and because this is very exfoliating, it's going to help to get rid of those dead skin cells and make sure your skin is very bright and very clear. So you have to be doing this every day or 3 times weekly, and you're all good. I'm going to store this to use it tomorrow because it's actually remaining and it's going to last for 2 times more, okay? So just make yours, try it, and come and tell me how it is. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. I'll see you in my next video.